Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a beautiful truck. I've never seen one of these before. It's a 1956 Chevy Suburban. Normally I see the panels around, but I've never seen an open window Suburban. This one's beautifully restored. It's finished in a Lexus Granite with a BMW titanium silver metallic. The paint, you can literally reach your hand into it. Beautiful chrome and stainless all the way around. Really nice metallic in this paint. It's just gorgeous. Added sun visor, gives it a real nice look, almost like a Californian look. Brand new wheels and tires. American Classic tires. Nice big wide white. It's got a late model 6-liter fuel injected motor in it with a computer. Gorgeous, super straight body. We also have a brand new front bumper too in the box. It goes with it. The titanium silver and the granite really complement each other. Power steering, power brakes, vintage air conditioning, and heat. Wheels and tires are literally brand new. It's got late model mirrors on it as well. Beautiful complement of old school styling meets new technology. Factory headers with the shielding, upper tubular control arms, power steering, high flow air filter, nice monster radiator with electric fans, power brakes. There's a kill switch. Modern fuel fuse box, computer for the motor as well, brand new battery. This truck's all steel. Runs and drives beautiful. Really no expense spared on this truck. It is awesome. Inside we got quad buckets, so the 2 power seats up front, center console, very comfortable cloth interior, classic instruments gauges, showing 20,477 miles. Your vintage air setup. The top of the dash looks like a Toyota color. Called root beer. Overhead console with built-in Bluetooth Alpine deck. Also lit vanity visor mirrors. Very nice. There's the microphone for the radio. Really cool visor. Headliner. Looks like these are out of a conversion van or something. Big speakers back there. Really comfortable. If you're going on a long trip, I'd much rather have an interior like this rather than leather. Tilt wheel, power locks, power windows, power seats, set. Cool with the buckets. Beautiful restoration on this truck. Gotta love the fuel injection. Just awesome. So this is integrated iPhone charger. Got a real nice throaty sound to it. It's a single muffler leading to a Y pipe, and it comes out at the back looking like dualies. Magnaflow muffler. All billet steps. The side is power as well. Remote control locks. See on the key right there. I believe this is a 6-liter Pontiac GTO motor. Nice and reliable. Love how when you pull the gate down also, the license plate and the light stay up and right. Pretty cool. This is a 2-year restoration. No expense spared on this truck, as you can see by the quality of everything. Real nice throaty sound. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. You can reach us at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. And feel free to give me a call. Thanks a lot for joining us.